Hello YouTube, it's Ozzy here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your windscreen wiper for your Golf MK5 TDI. So basically this is how you do it. First you have to make sure the wipers are in this position. How do you do that? I'll just show you in a bit. Let me just first bring them down. There you go. So first you put the ignition on and then off, and then from there you swipe. You do a one swipe just like that. Alright, so let's try it. So the wipers are in this position, down position. So you put it on and then you put it off, and then one swipe, and then they'll be in this position right there. Can you see? The next thing you do is you pull the wiper back like that, and then you straighten it up in that position. After doing that, you hold the wiper right here. I don't know if you guys can see, sorry about the noise, and then you just pull it towards you just like that. Let's have a look. Can you see? You pull it this way and then it comes out. There you have it. Let me just show you on the other wiper. So you bring it up like that, straighten it, and then from there you pull it towards you just like this. There you have it. Now that's how you remove a windscreen wiper out of a Golf MK5 2005, 2006. Thank you.